Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to pay for gas with Google Pay in 2025. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of using Google Pay to pay for gas at participating gas stations. First, you need to make sure that your device is compatible with Google Pay and that you have the Google Pay app installed on your device. You also need to have a payment method added to your Google Pay account, such as a credit or debit card. To pay for gas with Google Pay, start by opening the Google Pay app on your device. Then, select the payment method you want to use to pay for gas. You can add a new payment method or use an existing one. Next, drive to a participating gas station that accepts Google Pay. Look for the Google Pay logo or contactless payment symbol at the pump to confirm that the station accepts Google Pay. Once you arrive at the gas station, open the Google Pay app on your device and select the payment method you want to use. Then, unlock your device and hold it near the contactless payment terminal at the pump. The terminal will prompt you to authorize the payment, and you will see the payment amount on your device. Confirm the payment amount and select Confirm to complete the transaction. You will then receive a receipt and a confirmation that the payment has been successful. You can also view your transaction history in the Google Pay app to see a record of your payment. In addition to paying for gas, Google Pay also offers other benefits, such as rewards and cashback offers. You can also use Google Pay to pay for other purchases, such as food and groceries, at participating merchants. To get the most out of Google Pay, make sure to keep your device and app up to date, and always monitor your account for any suspicious activity. You should also use a secure lock screen and keep your device in a safe place to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily pay for gas with Google Pay and enjoy the convenience and security of contactless payments.